How to get an ISO 14554 certification for resistance welding of metallic materials in India. Are you searching for an ISO 14554 certification for resistance welding of metallic materials in India? If you need an ISO 14554 certification for resistance welding of metallic materials in India, you've come to the right place. We'll give you an ISO 14554 certification for resistance welding of metallic materials. We are providing an ISO 14554 certification services in India, the Middle East, and European countries. If you are interested in the same, please feel free to contact Mr. Puneet Sharma. Here is the step-by-step procedure guide to obtaining an ISO 14554 certification for resistance welding of metallic materials. To obtain an ISO 14554 certification for resistance welding of metallic materials in India, you should follow the steps below. 1. Identify the relevant certification body. 2. Review the standard. 3. Prepare your organization. 4. Implement necessary changes. 5. Establish a quality management system. 6. Training and competence. 7. Welding procedure specification, WPS 8. Welding procedure approval. 9. Conduct internal audits. 10. Certification audit. 11. Address non-conformities. 12. Obtain certification. 13. Maintain certification. If you're interested in learning more details about the steps mentioned above, you can find them by clicking on the link provided in the description. By visiting the link, you can access a page that contains all the in-depth information you're looking for. Feel free to check it out and explore the details further. Happy reading! Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates. If you have any requirement for an ISO 14554 certification, please feel free to contact Mr. Puneet Sharma.